Good afternoon. Morning, afternoon, nobody knows. We have a new product launching today. I'm gonna show you what they are. Brow gels. Look at them, They're so cute. They're in these cute little tubes. They're so fancy. They have the signature slanted top on them. So these launched today. Super easy to apply. I actually used it this morning, but I'm gonna go back through and show you how easy these are to use. I really like them. Usually I like to do more of a defined eyebrow, but some days, you know, you're just running behind and you just don't have time. So they have like a little spoolie, and there's 3 different colors, well 4. There's clear, there's light, medium, and then dark. So they're super easy to apply. The first time I used them, I didn't really know. Hi, Rachel. But you can just do it like this, where you're just kind of brushing them onto the hairs, and then the color's just gonna grab on. Pretty simple. Hey, hi Sandra. Or the other thing you can do is you can do a little back comb into the hairs. I'm still learning how to do this, so don't judge me. And that's just gonna get the color a little bit further down into your brow. And they're just like a nice liquid. It just makes your brows look a little bit more full, but like super natural looking. Like it's not kind of like when I do like my powder. Sometimes it gets to be a little too defined. I'm just gonna go through and back comb a little bit in. And like if you're like me, I have like super light. Hi Shirley, super light eyebrow hairs. So I need some color added to them. But like, how easy is that? Just adds a little bit more color. Like you can see like my little brow hairs that I normally can't see. You can see them. But yeah, so I use medium. I like mine a little bit darker. There's also the light, which is going to be for like your platinum blondes and the lighter hair tones. Mine you could probably use on like, I have kind of like a dishwatery blonde hair up to like a medium brown, and then we also have the dark, and the dark is going to be for obviously the darker hair colors, dark browns, super dark blondes, and like black hair colors. So that's the dark. These launch today, so go get yours. If you have questions on them or want more info, please let me know, but I gotta go back to work now. So just wanted to inform you all of this lovely new product launch, because who doesn't like a nice brow? But thanks for watching, and I'll see you tonight.